This is everything that I could have asked for now, and more really. It's so clear. It's unbelievable. Okay, that pretty much concludes my stay at the Lost and Found hostel. It was lovely, it was really nice. Last night was really good fun, and today I'm catching a bus to Bocas Del Toro, and I'm catching a bus to the little town by the dock, and then catching a boat across to the island. I'm staying in Bocas Corner. So yeah, let's go on a little adventure today. I'm not 100% sure what the route is. I have offline maps downloaded, so it shouldn't be too difficult to find my way around. Let's enjoy this final little hike through the jungle.
Where do we go from? Where do we go from here? No one can save us from keeping clear. I don't wanna lose you, I don't wanna lose you now. 'Cause there is only one thing on my mind. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave.
Yeah, so straight away you notice that it's definitely more for tourism. It's just tourists everywhere, really. Well, I mean, that's expected, really. Sound. People of Panama seem to be quite strict with wearing masks, and here there's very few people wearing them. I don't know if that's because tourists aren't wearing them, or they just care a little less out on an island. And that beats the record for the quickest I've been offered drugs somewhere. He sells quality weed, the best, so he says. Ah, lads. He was just in like a brick shed as well. He wasn't even like, he didn't have a shop. It's not like he was selling, you know, hamburgers, and on the side he was selling a bit of weed. He was just in a brick shed. Okay, so the plan today is go to a beach because I'm a bit tired of the town. Well, towns. That's all I've been in is towns. So yeah, I need to get money out, and then yeah, I want to catch a bus to the beach because I'm sick of walking around looking at shops and things. I want to do a bit of swimming. Yeah, last night just put the camera away, went for a walk, and there's not much to the town really. I think it's more for partying, because I went for a few beers with some really nice fellas from Denmark that I met, and yeah, they were sound, they were dead on, and we kind of finished up around 9:30 or that, and then I went back to my hostel, they went back to theirs. I think it only started kind of picking up then, so I think it really is just purely for partying. So as of right now, I'm having like mixed opinions about the island. I was speaking with a fella staying in my hostel, and he's been here for a while, and he reckons that the people aren't actually like, they mightn't be like necessarily really poor, but that they just have a house and they don't really care what it looks like. That's what he was saying anyway. I'm not sure how true that is. My understanding would be that people probably are struggling a bit, but then again, I don't know, I haven't been here that long. But yeah, very, very contrasting sides to the island. You've got like this big, real nice building beside me, but then unfortunately have the likes of this, and I just can't seem to make up my mind yet. I'll have a few days, so we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, apparently there's a starfish beach full of starfish, I'm guessing. This is everything that I could have asked for now, and more really. It's so clear. It's unbelievable. And the thing that I have loved so far about Panama is if you don't know how to get somewhere, you can just ask the person beside you, because if they don't know, they'll point you in the direction of somebody that does. Like, I didn't know what bus to get. I just asked the lad at my hostel, do I just get a bus? He was like, yeah, go down to the park and all the buses leave from there. And then once I got to the park, I just asked one of the bus drivers, Starfish Beach, and he goes, yeah, this bus here. Jump right on. People here are so nice and so friendly. And getting the ferry over here from the mainland, the woman was like, oh, €10 return. It was like €6 one way, €10 return. And I was like, oh, I don't know, because anytime somebody has been like trying to sell you like extra stuff, especially when you go on like your typical holidays, usually they're trying to, you know, screw you over. But the people here are so nice. And I understand that, like, I'm not a small chap, but any of the girls that I've spoken to, I've asked them as well. There was 2 German girls, and I was like, have you felt unsafe at all? And they were like, no, not one bit. And then Bridget from the hostel, she's in her 60s, and she said the same. She's like, walking around Panama City, no problem. She didn't go around at night, but the 2 German girls did, and they said that they had no problems at all. They never felt unsafe. So that's really encouraging for anyone that wants to go travel, really. Beautiful, beautiful country. Oh, my flip-flop. There's like one little chair here. Perfect. I'm gonna set up camp here. Let's go for a swim. So I forgot I had these. They were my wet togs, and I threw them into my dry bag. They smell so bad. Oh, this Jesus. Yeah, the bag kind of smells as well. So yeah, that's what I'm wearing. Lovely. I didn't bring a towel, but we'll worry about that after. Coconut. Like that, it looks like it's a pane of glass. But how is this real? I want to find some starfish as well. This is meant to be Starfish Beach. Haven't seen any yet. I mean, it'd be wrong not to have a beer. On the hunt for a starfish. Oh, that one. Nope, just some twigs. We have found a starfish. Oh my god, it's huge! Fairly sure we have this entire island to ourselves.
People left already.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Yeah, and so that's fucking great.
The girls are making sure they get their Instagram shot. This is Isla Zapatia, I think it's called. Yeah. There's 2 other people here. There's 5 of us on this entire island. It is amazing. Another day, another island. It's raining, but we're not going to let that stop us having fun. Let's go. This is Bastimentos, I think it's called. Red Frog Beach. Yeah. Lovely. Shit weather, but lovely beach. It's actually warmer in the sea than it is out here, which is mad. I am now leaving Bocas Del Toro. Yesterday was unbelievable, and I will roll on all that footage now. So the people here are super nice. Like I can't get over how nice the people are, and also how beautiful the islands are. I wasn't overly fond of it at the start, but after a week it's very hard to leave. So yeah, on to Costa Rica.